Once upon a time in a small village, there was a magical garden. This garden was unlike any other because it could grant wishes to those who were kind and pure of heart. One sunny morning, a curious young girl named Lily discovered the garden. She was amazed by the vibrant flowers, talking animals, and sparkling fountains. As she walked through the garden, she met a wise old owl named Oliver.
Hello, young traveler.
Oliver hooted.
Welcome to the magical garden. My name is Oliver. What brings you here?
Lily, still in awe, replied.
Hi, Oliver. I've heard about this garden and wanted to see it for myself. It's more beautiful than I ever imagined.
Oliver nodded and said,
It truly is a special place. But remember, it only grants wishes to those who are kind and pure of heart.
Lily smiled and promised to be kind. She spent her days exploring the garden, making friends with the animals, and helping to care for the flowers. One day, as Lily sat by the fountain, a small bird with bright blue feathers approached her. It chirped happily and hopped around her, as if trying to tell her something.
What is it, little bird?
Lily asked, trying to understand. Oliver flew over and said,
It seems the bird wants to show you something. Follow it.
Lily followed the bird through the garden until they reached a hidden grove filled with the most magnificent flowers she had ever seen. In the center of the grove was a beautiful, glowing crystal. Lily approached the crystal, and suddenly, it began to shimmer and emit a soft, golden light. It was granting her a wish. Lily thought carefully about what she wanted. She decided to wish for the ability to speak all languages so she could communicate with people from all around the world. The crystal granted her wish, and from that day on, Lily became known as the girl who could speak every language. She traveled to distant lands, making friends and spreading kindness wherever she went. And so, the magical garden continued to be a place of wonder and a source of inspiration for all who visited.